To be here for the inauguration of the skill center that has been started by the initiative of the Consulate General of India, our consulate in Dubai, in association with the DPS school and the institution under Sri Dinesh Kothari ji. In fact, when the pandemic struck, hundreds of people, I can say thousands of people lost their jobs. They had to return back. Their means of livelihood came to it stuck. And how to overcome that was a big challenge that everyone was facing. The Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, he came to the rescue of lakhs and lakhs of migrant laborers. New methods have been devised, and to help them overcome the challenge that they face, many new schemes have been introduced. And one of them is upskilling the and in a way reskilling the laborers. Taking a leaf out of that and heeding to the call given by the Prime Minister, our consulate in Dubai has devised this innovative mechanism of utilizing the facility of DPS institution, which is one of the prestigious institutions in the field of education in UAE. Their facilities are being utilized to provide skills, especially in learning of languages of Arabic and English, as well as proficiency in computer. So, this will definitely help those laborers who are in a way not very much proficient in these issues, in these aspects, for them to earn these skills, which will place them at a higher pedestal in the job market. And in the coming days, we hope that this will become a model which can be in a way replicated by other places, other countries, other societies, even the government of India, for people who want to go out in search of jobs. For such people, what is the requirement in the job market, in the global job market? That to equip them, our Indian laborers, Indian citizens, Indian job seekers who go in search of jobs, for them to equip them, this will be a new model, I am sure, and in the coming days we will hear more about it, and definitely we will be welcome for improvements, many suggestions that will come, through which we will be able to improve the delivery mechanism, the way it will be further taken ahead, and I am sure that this will go a long way in this present situation of overcoming the challenges posed by the pandemic. Let me also congratulate the consulate and the consul general, as well as Sri Dinesh Kothari, for providing and partnering with the consulate for this innovative experiment.